Yeah, can you see me now?
No, we can't see.
No?
Yeah,
Yeah,
now we can
now you
now.
can see.
Yeah.
Now you can, yeah.
How are things in Toronto?
Toronto is good, Maharaj. Thank you. Your music was excellent and the video was excellent.
Thank
I
you.
really enjoyed that. No wonder you are so busy. You keep yourself busy giving us all those beautiful pictures, narrations, and everything. It's really good, good. And the timing is just perfect. We just finished our Toronto Tithi Puja,
Okay.
just over, and when we start yours. So it is good.
Thank you. Deepuji, Deepuji, are you there? We can't hear you.
Thank you, Maharaj, for a lovely talk and music, Sangeet as usual.
Thank
I
you.
do have a question on 18 years of Jesus' life where we know very little. Some people say he traveled to the land of his ancestors, which perhaps was ancient Persia and maybe adjacent regions. What are your thoughts on that, or the
No,
biblical?
I am not the person to give my thoughts. I am not acquainted with only some archaeologist or historian can give some evidence.
Yes.
So generally, it is accepted that not even one of the Gospels mentions anything about Jesus' life from his 12th to 30th year when he was baptized by John. So, any if people find any evidence or something, then only some conjectures can be made, research is being made. So many people say many things, but nothing has been confirmed till yet, as far as I know.
I
Yeah.
think it
Our
also shows,
sources,
yes,
our sources is the four Gospels. Yeah.
yes. I think it also means perhaps that Jesus was safe during those 18 years. And now, when he came back to his home country within 2 years, he suffered so much.
Yeah. So nothing is known, unfortunately. We can
No.
just yeah, we can. So next is Harbans ji. Please unmute yourself, otherwise we won't be able to hear you. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Anyway, no problem. We can come back later. Marian.
Thank you for the talk, and yeah, especially the video, and surprised to see Santa Claus there. Thank you.
Santa Claus has to be there where there is Christmas, so nothing to be surprised here.
I had never seen such a serious-looking Santa before.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mayadi and yeah.
Yes. Merry Christmas, Swamiji. And thank you for the lovely talk. It was very interesting to see how Christmas is celebrated in Artpur and the abundance of sweets that were offered.
That is the main thing. Without that, nobody will come.
Thank you, Swamiji.
And
Merry Christmas.
loves the carols.
Yes,
Thank
we sang
you.
along.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Mr. Roki.
Yes, thank you very much for nice talk. And I have a question about
Yeah.
Jesus Christ is avatar, God in human body.
Yeah, that's what we believe. That's
Yeah.
what Sri Ramakrishna has said, and many, it is universally accepted. Yes.
Ramakrishna is the same, I believe.
Yeah, we also believe the same, like you.
And how about Chaitanya? That,
Yeah, he is also, Sri Ramakrishna himself has said that he was also incarnation of God.
oh, how about Shankara?
Shankara is said that he was not an incarnation in the same way as Jesus and Ramakrishna, but he was a special manifestation of Lord Shiva's power.
Okay, okay. And, uh, and last week talk video.
It was not recorded properly, sorry.
Oh no, that was so good. So I missed
you.
that.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you very much.
We'll discuss it again, that talk of Swamiji later,
Oh,
detail.
okay, thank you.
Mrinalda,
Pranam Maharaj,
Pranam,
so wonderful talk and song is so wonderful. Thank you, Maharaj. No question.
thank you so much. Narinder ji,
Thank you, Swamiji. Beautifully narrated Jesus' life. I really enjoyed it. Thank
thank
you.
you so much. So, Pari ji has already given a message. Pranvai ji,
Thank you, Swamiji, and
you.
your narration of the Jesus baptism and encounter with the devil was very nicely explained. And of course, you always sing so good. The carols were today very, very nicely sung. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Anadi Babu is feeling very cold today, I can see. His face is practically hidden by his cap.
Namaskar, Maharaj.
Yeah,
Beautiful service today.
thank you.
Excellent talk, superb music and singing and carols. Also, the videos are out of the world.
Pranam Maharaj,
Yeah,
your talk was so interesting, especially with the addition of all the videos. They're just amazing. You showed us so many paintings, beautiful. Thank you
Yeah.
for that. We got an opportunity to look at those, and your talk was so thorough. And I'm glad you kind of started with the first Jesus Christ first part, because it kind almost came to my mind because it was a long time ago, so it helped a lot. And yeah, the Artpur, I didn't have any idea. It's so beautiful. I wish we could visit. We should have visited it when we were there. Beautiful. And oh, yeah, the carols, of course, we joined from here. This wonderful song, wonderful carols. Thank you, Maharaj. Thank you for a wonderful presentation today.
Thank you. Rajji,
Namaste, Swamiji. Thank you
Namaste.
very much.
Yeah.
Your very deep research about the Jesus. Thank you very much.
Actually, I enjoyed very much because
I know, yeah. We've been here
many
living
things
here
are
so
also new to
long,
me.
but we only know about the little bit
Yeah.
Jesus and not into details, deep details. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
So I enjoyed, and now these many books are available for borrowing on the internet. I mean, you can borrow and see them on your screen. So I borrowed some books, and from there I got those pictures also. So I took the screenshot from the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got the cream. Yeah, no, thank you very much. Swami.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Avaji, yeah, we can hear you.
Hi, now you can hear me.
Yeah.
Wow, this was amazing, immense, such an immense knowledge you shared with us in such a short time. I can't believe it. It was just beautiful. I just cannot imagine how much you must have done the preparation, but in 1 hour you gave so much to us. Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
your music was just great. People will ask you in the choir to sing. It was beautiful. Now, one more thing I wanted to ask you is, when you talk about the devil, it's basically is the ego
It's
and
our
the temptations.
it's our own mind Our
Yes.
mind consists of good as well as evil. So our not so good part of the mind is fighting with the good part. So
Right.
when the good part wins, then it will be completely purified. That's all.
So it's basically the mind which has to evolve at a higher level, right?
That is all. All the obstacles
By,
are created by the mind. Yeah.
yeah, with the intellect, using it intellect, right? Vivek Shakti.
Yes. In Buddha's life also we see in Buddhism this is called Mar. The devil
Right.
is called Mar. So Mar tempts Buddha, but the Buddha says nothing doing, you fellow, get out of here. And then the Buddha attains nirvana. Yeah.
Hmm. So it's what you said is what you are put to test.
Of course, everybody is put to test.
Yeah, and then see how you deal with it, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. But when you speak, you are a very different person when you are talking now. It's so easy, right? So thank you again, Swamiji. All the best.
Thank you so much. And now we come to Shiv Sharma ji. He's already unmuted.
Namaskar, Swamiji. Thank you for sharing beautiful tales and pictures and videos. And of course, the carols as well. It was great. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Mr. Smith.
Unmuted. Yes, Merry Christmas and also Happy Holy Mother's birthday.
Yeah, both. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Tripathi ji.
Pranam Maharaj ji.
Namaste.
Yeah, the thing which you were saying a couple of minutes ago, when the body is weak, that is the time when the evil part of the mind is more active than the good part. Is that?
That is natural, because when the body becomes weak, then the mind also loses the power to resist. So the body should be always fit. Not that we have to eat lots of food and all. The thing is, body should be healthy, because if the body becomes sick, the mind also becomes weak.
So that is the important part. Like what I am saying is that even in present moment, when we talk about all the three things which the said and asked Christ, is so relevant. A lot of times we face the thing that people who are atheists, they question, okay, if our Lord is there, like, no, jump on this, not that same way. But they say that, okay, then leave everything and let the Lord do everything. So it becomes so relevant, even what was said or what was written in the Bible a long time back.
These are not bound by time. These are eternal truths. So even after 10,000 years, they will have the same relevance. These are never outdated. The Gita, the Gospel, the Bible, these will never be outdated.
Earlier on, the faith was a major thing for the religion, but right now, since internet and all, everything, people read a lot of things and then they come up with so many negative propaganda about some things that it is sometimes very hard for ordinary people to defend.
That is why people should keep away from all this nonsense and only listen to those people who are leading such a life, who are qualified to speak on these matters. So hearing everybody and anybody will be a big problem. Then all sorts of ideas will enter our head. Then it will be creating a problem.
Yeah, thank you, Swamiji, and it was excellent, and Merry Christmas to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So Ashok Babu and Radhaji.
Maharaj, Pranam.
We can't see you. We were able to see you just now. Yeah, now we can see you. Yeah. How are you keeping?
Yeah, I am. I'm barely surviving. But in any case, your talk was excellent, and I learned more about Lord Christ from your talk than what I knew before. It's very nice. It's very, very nice of you. I don't know how long I will be listening to you. But
Very long, very long. Nothing. Don't worry at all.
you think so?
We will soon be seeing you at the Vedanta Society with Radhaji. Don't worry.
One of these, I hope I can make it. You have got anything to say? Thank you very, very much for all your encouraging words. Very beautiful talk. Yes, good. Yeah. Oh yes, sir. I had my second Christmas. And the program, honestly, I was very upset not being able to attend on the first day. Attending today. This is a special gift to me, personal from Lord Jesus. As a second Christmas, honestly, that's my true feeling.
Yeah.
As always, every word was just beautiful. Very nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
Nice, very nice.
Because we are discussing beautiful things, that is why it is beautiful.
Thanks.
So last but not the least, Yogi ji.
Maharaj, very nice talk. Just one thing I want to share with everybody. I just recently read, to be a Santa Claus, you have to be at least 250 pounds in the United States.
Only few people will qualify. Harbans ji, I think you may qualify. Not because you are fat, but because you are tall. Yeah, very tall also. So anyway, it was talk was nice because of Balidi's food which she gave. No, that is what giving a special energy.
No, I thoroughly enjoyed your talk and with beautiful pictures and explanation and video from India. Very nice. Thank you, Maharaj.
Thank you. So let's hope the weather improves